The Academic Skills Centre is here to help you throughout your academic journey to develop the academic and research skills you need to excel at university. Liaison librarians can help you find quality resources for your subject, develop search strategies, and use databases and other online tools. Need assistance with academic writing, planning essays or dissertations, time management, critical thinking, math or statistics? The Senior Academic Skills Advisors can advise you with those topics. Our staff are available for one-to-one support by appointment or during drop-in sessions, giving you a chance to get individual advice on your coursework. You can also get expert writing advice from a professional writer by booking an appointment with one of our Royal Literature Fellows. The Academic Skills Centre also run workshops, both elective and also part of modules within schools and institutes to enhance your academic skills. Our Peer Assistant Student Support or PASS program offers peer mentoring where second and third year students provide first year students with subject-specific advice. You can check out our online resources on the Academic Skills Centre webpage and our QM Plus Academic Skills Centre course. And also for 24/7 writing help, you can also use Studiosity. Reach out to the Academic Skills Centre anytime. We're here to help you succeed at Queen Mary.